Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friend. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and lets us create more simple tech videos like this one. Now, let's find out how websites load so fast. Have you ever clicked on a website and watched it appear almost instantly? Whether you're opening YouTube, Google, Amazon, or your favorite news site, everything seems to happen in the blink of an eye. But behind that simple click is an incredible chain of events involving computers, networks, and servers spread across the world. So how do websites load so fast? Let's break it down. Everything starts the moment you type a website address into your browser or click a link. Your browser first needs to figure out where that website actually lives on the internet. Every website is stored on a server, which is a powerful computer connected to the internet 24 hours a day. But computers don't use names like Google.com. They communicate using IP addresses, which are numbers. So your device asks a service called the Domain Name System, or DNS, to translate the website name into its IP address. You can think of DNS as the Internet's phone book. This lookup usually takes only a few milliseconds because Internet providers and browsers store frequently used addresses in a cache. Once your browser knows the server's address, it sends a request across the Internet asking for the website. That request doesn't travel directly. Instead, it passes through many routers. Routers are like traffic controllers that decide the fastest path for your data to travel. These routers work together at incredible speed, sending tiny packets of information through fiber optic cables. Inside these cables, data travels as pulses of light moving at nearly the speed of light. That's one of the biggest reasons websites can respond so quickly. When the request reaches the web server, the server gets to work. Some websites are very simple and just send back ready-made files. Others are much more complex. They may need to check a database, verify your account, load personalized recommendations, or process other information before sending a response. Even with all that work, modern servers are incredibly powerful. Many companies use thousands of servers working together inside massive data centers. If one server becomes busy, another one can handle the request, keeping websites fast even when millions of people are online at the same time. But the speed doesn't stop there. Most popular websites use something called a content delivery network, or CDN. Instead of storing every file in one location, a CDN keeps copies of images, videos, and other files on servers all around the world. Imagine a website stored only in New York. If someone in Egypt opens it, the data has to travel thousands of kilometers. But if a CDN has a copy in Cairo or another nearby city, the files can be delivered much faster. That's why websites often feel fast no matter where you are. Another secret is caching. Your browser remembers files it has already downloaded, such as logos, icons, fonts, and images. The next time you visit the same website, your browser doesn't need to download everything again. It simply loads those saved files from your own device, making the page appear much faster. Web developers also optimize their websites to reduce loading time. They compress images so they use less data without losing much quality. They remove unnecessary spaces and characters from code. They combine multiple files into fewer downloads. Some websites even delay loading images until you scroll down to them, which is called lazy loading. Modern browsers also help improve speed. Instead of downloading one file at a time, they can download many files simultaneously. They prioritize the most important parts of the page, allowing you to see text and buttons before everything else has finished loading. Today's websites also use faster communication protocols such as HTTP/2 and HTTP/3. These newer technologies allow browsers and servers to exchange data more efficiently, reducing delays and making pages load even faster than before. Another major reason websites feel so responsive is because of faster internet connections. Fiber optic networks, Wi-Fi 6, and 5G mobile technology all reduce the time it takes for information to travel between your device and the server. Of course, websites don't always load instantly. Slow internet, overloaded servers, large images, too many advertisements, or poorly optimized code can all increase loading times. That's why some websites feel much faster than others, even on the same connection. The fastest websites are built with speed in mind. They carefully optimize every image, every line of code, every server, and every network connection to save even a fraction of a second. It may not sound like much, but even a 1-second delay can cause visitors to leave a website before it finishes loading. So the next time a website appears almost instantly, remember everything happening behind the scenes. Your browser finds the server using DNS, sends requests through routers, data travels through fiber optic cables, powerful servers process your request, CDNs deliver nearby content, cached files avoid unnecessary downloads, and modern browsers optimize everything to display the page as quickly as possible. All of these technologies work together in just a fraction of a second, creating the fast web experience we rely on every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment telling us what technology you'd like us to explain next. See you in the next video.